Today we are going to be entering in hot waters with this video. But I think we need to talk about this. First, let me be clear. I'm a Gordon Ramsay fan. I watch most of the things that guy cooked, screamed at, and cursed. But there is one topic that always leaves me in doubt, and that's when he talks about steaks. I'm not a chef, but I definitely ate, cooked, and tried enough steaks to know what I'm talking about. So let's get into it. The first problem I have with Gordon's portrait of steaks is the following.
Roll! 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 Your is roll!
As I said before, I cook so many steaks for so many people that I cannot find that raw idea to be correct. If we are talking about raw steaks, what would we say about blue steaks? A blue steak is cooked to a charred exterior with a very, very, very rare interior. Achieving blue steak is simply a case of cooking cold meat under a high temperature for a very short period of time, just long enough to lightly sear the outside of the steak. And still, I know many people that prefer their steak cooked that way. I'm not a particular fan of that, but I won't consider that steak raw. And if we mention the French cuisine, then what? Blue steaks are a French tradition and they love it over there.
You French pig! Off.
So, what does Gordon call a raw steak? Are those chefs bringing raw meat to the table? The main point is that steak terms is a matter of personal taste. I love my steaks medium rare to medium, but again, there is all kinds of palates out there. Another huge problem I find on Gordon's advice on steaks is the usage of your face to know what term the meat is.
So we got rare, medium, well done is just there.
The main problem, besides of the obvious, is that each steak is different in flavor and consistency.
Rare's here, opposite the palm, at the top. Medium is there, and well done is at the top of your wrist.
If you go by touching your face, or even that crazy thing with your hands, a ribeye steak will feel different to a New York steak no matter what. And that is without even getting into meat grades. A prime steak, no matter what it is, will always be more tender to the touch than the same steak in Choice or Select. Those are USDA beef grades, if you don't know what I'm talking about. So all that craziness with the hands and the face does not count. To me, that is just a bunch of BS, something they come out with to complain when the steak doesn't come out the term they want it to be. I mean, I can only imagine Ronnie Coleman or Lou Ferrigno undercooking their steaks all the time. For those asking what to do, all you need is a cheap pen thermometer and insert the thinner part of it towards the center of the steak, and that will always give you the perfect term. For more information about how to really get your steaks to the term you want all the time, I'm leaving a table with the terms and temperatures in the description of the video. Well, I'm leaving 2 tables there, one for each cooking method. And something else about Gordon, why he's always in such a hurry.
Season it first. Beautifully done. Get some nice large grains of pepper, so you got a nice bit of heat. Mop up all that seasoning.
No matter what he cooks, he's always looking around and watching things over. Dang it, bro. Food needs a little bit of patience and love, man. Talk to it nicely, call it nice names, and it will taste better for sure. And with all that said about how Gordon Ramsay treats their steaks, it is time for me to cook you the perfect one. Perfect for my taste, of course, and only using a simple pen thermometer. Can these restaurants afford a simple pen thermometer? I'm sorry, that was Gordon's fault too. We are done with the perfect steak. What do you guys think?
I don't want no problems with Gordon. Not me.
Gordon's gonna come here and he's gonna curse the heck out of you.
No, No.
And listen, we cannot have the perfect steak if we don't have the perfect fries. Miss Ninja made the
yes.
fries, and they are looking awesome. Miss Ninja, let's give it a quick try, and let's just, it's not comparing anything, it's just
I
we
couldn't wait.
trying this thing up.
Let's do it.
All
Okay.
right, have a little piece here. Wow,
Oh, wow. I'm gonna go.
this thing is delicious. I hope you guys learned something from this thing. There is a lot of big chefs out there with a lot of bad ideas. And I think, I mean, you know, I love Gordon, but I don't think those crazy recommendations are good in any way.
I don't want to get in trouble with any of the chef out there.
In any case, guys, I hope you like the video. And if you like it, please hit us with a like.
Lots and lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family. And don't forget to let me know down there in the comments. I know I'm going to have a lot of complaints. I'm going to have a lot of pain in here. Listen, I understand. This is my opinion. Let's put it down there. Let's argue about it. And let's have fun. That's the whole idea. That's all for today. But remember that I love you.
Love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the
Next one.